Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of Skrill Wallet application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, logging out of Skrill Wallet is important, especially if you use a shared device or want to secure your funds and data. So first of all, launch open the Skrill application on your device like you normally do, and from the home page, go to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. This will bring open the profile section where you need to scroll all the way down and look for the logout option. Soon after you find the logout option, tap on it and click on OK in the pop-up box. Soon after you do that, you will then need to enter your PIN that you previously created whenever you want to log in back again. So that's how you easily log out of your Skrill application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.